Hi, my name is Terry Lee from Sweet Pea Papers and the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group. Today I'm here with you to do a flip through of the page by page project that I did with Kyung Shotwell. Every week we did a page a week, and the other person picked the prompt, or every other week the other person picked the prompt. And we started this a long time ago, and I really love this project, and I'm really sorry to see it come to an end. And I'm not going to do the flip through of both signatures today because that would be a really long flip through. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a flip through of signature 1, which of course I have labeled signature 1 because I haven't covered them yet. Not really sure what I'm going to do. I've never covered a book this thick, so I'm a little nervous. But signature 1. Now, I have the prompts written down, but some of the pages are out of order because of the way the book was going, and certain elements needed to face a certain way or whatever, and so a few of the pages are out of order. So if I go through the prompt list, which I'm going to try to do, but it may be wrong. Okay, so here we go. Week 1, page 1. The prompt was a floating paper clip, and so this paper clip comes off, and then there were 2 tags in the pocket. You'll also notice that as the weeks went by, both Kyung's and I's pages changed. I can't believe that this was 40 something weeks ago, because we had a couple weeks break, you know, in between here and there. And so you're going to notice that it changes as we grow, actually. So page 2 was a pocket. So all we had to do is attach a pocket, and I made a 4-page pocket here with a bunch of ephemera in it. And page 3 was an envelope flip. Since this isn't bound and it's huge, it's very delicate in the center. It's going to kind of go off center as we go through, but this is my envelope flip. It's got a pocket here and a card in the envelope. Week 3 was acetate, and the butterflies are escaping instead of being inside the display thing. And this is 5, and it was a floating pocket, so this comes off full of goodies. And then the next page was notebook, and so inside here is the notebook. All this is fussy cut and glued on. The notebook, I don't remember how many pages, and I'm not gonna take it all the way out. And then this page was, I believe, red. No, this was a brad. And so there's a brad in the little arrow that holds this shut, and then it flips up, and then there's writing space in between or underneath. Let me put that back. And then this page was altered playing cards, and so I took and collaged and painted and gessoed some playing cards. Get back in there. You know, things always happen when you're doing a flip through. There we go. And then the next page, I believe, was CD cover. Yes, CD cover. And so I put this CD cover on here, and it flips out, and it holds in a writing card. This is got a magnet in it, and I got these out of my garden. And then the center spread is, I believe this one is black and white. Yep. And then this one was nature. This one, I made them complementary. I like to make a single spread for each center of a signature. And this one flips up, and they are the same kit. And then it holds another flip out, and then there's writing space on all the sections. And then this one also flips up and flips out in the opposite direction, and you'll notice that this one has a black border, and on this flip out there's a white border. And on the next one it was painting, and I painted this little picture. And then this one was string, and so I put string around the border of this image, and I did glossy accents on the flower. This page was safety pins, and so I did safety pins with little smiley faces and beads and things on them. These cards come out. These are belly bands. That's a belly band, and this is a pocket. And I put little matching beads everywhere, all over the page. This page, I think, is the one that's out of order. Yeah, because there are no stickers on this page. There is a hidden writing card that comes out, and I stenciled and colored on the back. I colored the stencil in. All the colored parts are by me. And this was collage, and I made my collage into a puzzle. Sorry about that. New camera setup. And then this one was red, and I remember telling Kyung, if you want red, I'll give you red. And I glued on all these strawberries and all of this red all in here, and I don't even know how many tags I got in here, but I would say, well, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 tags, 14 tags, all in one page. This is just great reminiscing. That was also, I believe, the first time I ever used an eyelet and a charm. It's a little bunny rabbit. And let's see. Red. Yeah, see, red and collage are in opposite orders because I wanted to put the charm on. And then this one was letters, and the whole kit was letters. And this large writing card comes out, and then this flips out like so. What a beautiful page. And then, is there a hidden pocket, or is this just a fussy cut? It looks like this is just a fussy cut to highlight the flowers. This, I know, was a book page, and I put in a file folder, and then inside are postcards. We're going along pretty good. Maybe I will do both in one video. And then this one is the last one for signature 1, and that was Halloween. And I fuzzy cut these. I thought this date with the woman's face in it was just insane, so I included it on there. Anyway, okay, that was signature 1, and then tomorrow we'll go through signature 2. And again, I just want to say that this has been a really great collaboration, and I'm really going to miss doing a page a week, that's for sure, and I'm going to miss working with Kyung, and we're definitely going to do another project in the future. Okay, that's the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next video, and that'll be just a second for you and a day for me. Okay, bye-bye.